Okay, I'm gonna... No, shut up, Spooky. I don't want to talk to you. Ah! What are you doing? Ah! Do I have to like connect and disconnect it again? That actually the case? Like in what? Oh, bridge. Wait, it still doesn't. Is that actually like psychological? You know. Please, 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 please. No, no, no! Ah, bread. No. Why is he so long? Sometimes spooks can be kind and sweet. She looks kind and sweet. Just not even gonna bother. I don't trust you, Spooky. Ah! Wow, 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 wow. What is that? What is following us? Like, I hear banging behind us, but I don't know what it is. I do not want to know. Oh, I just want you to circle around a couple more times. Ah! I see how...